Hey guys, welcome back to the motorcycle room. I'm here in the garage today and I'm going to tackle my full aero exhaust, putting it back on my bike after I finish doing the head gasket. So if you watched my last video, you'll know that I struggled a little bit with the exhaust. So I looked up some tips and tricks online, and that's kind of what this video is going to be about. What I'm going to be using is anti-seize on the exhaust joints so that they can rotate more freely, and also looking at the exhaust more closely to see what it's going to take to put it together. I kind of made a mistake here. When I was looking at the exhaust flanges connected directly to the header pipe exits. And for this air exhaust, it actually is pretty convenient because it's designed to be assembled with springs and not bolted on. So you can bolt all these on. Right now they're finger tight. So I'm going to tighten these up. And then I'm just going to add some anti-seize to these pipes so that they can rotate more freely, and that should let me actually attach the whole exhaust. So this is messy, but I really do think this is going to make a huge difference. Let's see how it goes to install this now. So it should be pretty easy. Yep, that just works right in. And then this. It almost seems like these are attached the wrong way. I really hope they aren't. I guess I could try to install this. It's just quite a long pole there. Now the exhaust is fully mounted up. It's got all these springs to attach it, which is nice because it means you can take off the exhaust by just removing a few of these springs. No bolts at all. And like I was saying with that bolt, you can see that's where it attaches right there. And works well. So, time to start it up. Hope for the best. Battery's a little bit weak and it's kind of cold right now, so I don't know if it's going to work. Looks like it's not. So I just started it. I'm going to try again. Really badly. So the oil doesn't look milky, I think. Looks good. Looks like normal oil. So that's a pretty good sign. It's definitely leaking and smoking a little bit from all the oil that I spilled all around here. I think it might still be just having some to burn off. There's definitely a tick though that
was not there.
Engine's definitely knocking since I've done the head gasket repair. I'm not sure if that's because I installed the cams improperly, or maybe I messed up some of the shims, or some of the metal from doing the taps on that head gasket job got into the bearings and started knocking. But it was knocking like immediately when I started it up. I'm not exactly sure what would cause that. So I might end up parting out this bike just because I don't really feel like working on it anymore. And I just got a new supermoto. So now I have like 5 motorcycles. I don't know that I want a middleweight to race at Loudon anyways. I never felt that comfortable on this CBR. Felt a lot more comfortable on the SV. And yeah. Typical motorcycle room video, a little bit demoralizing, but this is what happens when you don't do things right. I figured there was a good chance that once I had to do the helicoil of the head, it wouldn't work and I would end up having to buy a new motor. And you can buy like a used CBR motor for like $800, which is basically the price of doing all the machine work in the rebuild. It's a lot less work to just swap it in. So probably gonna end up doing that. So if anyone has a CBR600 motor they want to get rid of, let me know. Otherwise, I'll definitely part this out and I can sell it to anyone who wants it. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.